Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make 3 different types of overnight oats. This is the perfect breakfast to have in the morning because you can eat this hot or cold. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. So for the first recipe, you will add half a cup of rolled oats and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon into a mason jar and mix together. Then add half a cup of skim or almond milk, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup and mix together. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and mix it around lightly. Afterwards, you can put the lid on and place it in the fridge for the next morning, and that is how you make peanut butter overnight oats. For our next recipe, you will need half a cup of rolled oats and half of a ripe mashed banana and mix the two together. Next, add half a cup of skim or almond milk, 2 tablespoons of chopped pecans or walnuts and mix together. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, and a dash of sea salt, and mix it all together. Now we have completed our banana bread overnight oats. For our final recipe, you are going to add half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of skim or almond milk, a dash of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of applesauce, and mix everything together to complete your apple cinnamon overnight oats. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this gave you some ideas for what to have for breakfast in the morning. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!